Hi guys, how y'all doing out there? The Rona. Hope you guys safe out there. We're going to a call. Not enough hot water, so we're gonna go there and check it out now and see what's the deal with this. Not a hot water. So, and beautiful day today. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. So, stay tuned. Coming up. Let's check this one out. Oh. Get this no hot water. It's a Persis boiler. Yeah, the problem over here, they don't get enough hot water. This thing is bad. So what I'm gonna end it up, I'm gonna take this one out and put a new one in the box. Then it should be all set. So cold water come through here, hot through here, and then mixing water to the house go through there. So should be easy and easy. Okay, let me get this thing done. I need to wait for this. This one you gotta look, make sure you see you got hot over here and cold. So you gotta make sure when you put the new one, put it the same way, and then the mixing water go through here. This is how you adjust this thing now. And hopefully it goes there nice and easy. And another thing you gotta check is the temperature reading. So this one is for 180, 170 to 180, because they make one only go up to 100. So for different, like for radiant heat and stuff like that. So you gotta make sure you get the right one. So over here, 80 and 180. So yeah. So you guys make sure you check that. Make sure it's 180 for domestic hot water. For radiant heat is, I believe, 100. They make this just go up to 100. So let's see how this thing goes over here. So should be easy and cheesy. Get this thing done over here, boom, and then go to the next one. And it's gonna be a lot of water coming out of here. Yeah, let me clean it up. So you gotta put the gasket over here and make sure this thing is clean. Then you put the gasket over here like this. Then I'm gonna have to like put on the angle a little bit so you get it right. I don't want to drop my phone because that's right in the edge there. So you tap this thing. Boom. That's down there. Then you do this. Do the same thing over here. Gasket over here. I'm sorry, I had the camera on. this one. No, I might be able to do one end. Yeah. This job is done. Okay, so let me tie it with a plier. I'm gonna tie this a little bit. Boom, boom. Check for leak, and matter here. Well, I'm gonna check the temperature to make sure it's stationary where they want it. So that's it. Easy and cheesy. Okay, later guys.